Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam candle holder duo. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some floral diamond wrap or just some regular diamond wrap. And I got this diamond wrap at EFavormart.com. They're an online retailer of event and party supplies, also event lighting, and so much more. They reached out to me and I've partnered with them. They provided me with a custom coupon code, a Cozy Casita, all one word, just like the channel name, and that's a 15% off coupon code. So if you guys go to their website, you see any items on there that you like, just use my code or my affiliate link. I'll have all that information in the description box for you, and they'll save you 15% on your order. Now, so you're going to need the floral diamond wrap or just a regular diamond wrap. I also have some loose gemstones here. These are diamond gemstones. They're also from EFavormart.com. I have some of these little tea lights, and these are immersible tea lights. I picked these up at EFavormart.com as well. And what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need 2 of these candle holders. And these are like a fluted shape, but you can really use any shape that you like. So you're going to need 2 of those. You're also going to need 1 set of these. They come in a pack of 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And then I have some peel and stick gemstones here. These are from Walmart. You can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got some loose gemstones here that are also the diamond gemstones, and they are from Walmart as well. I may or may not be using these. And I'm going to be using hot glue for this project, but if you like to make these pieces permanent, please use something like an epoxy or E6000. So these are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful set of candle holders. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now aren't these gorgeous? These candle holders are so gorgeous and simple to make. Super, super simple. And there's so many ways to decorate with them. So let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you'll give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.